Hey Sammy, how you doing today? You got a math problem for us? It is 43,874 divided by 6. Hey, sure thing. We're going to work this out on the whiteboard, going over step by step, make it an easy, cheesy lemon squeezy for you. Don't worry, we'll get started on it right now.
Hey, welcome back to the show. And we're going to help out Sammy the cat with her division problem, 43,874 divided by 6. All right, the first thing I want to do is I want to put down some multiplication problems with 6. If you don't know your multiplication of 6s, then this might help you out. So let's just go ahead and do 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 4 equals 24. 6 times 5 equals 30. And let's do one more. 6 times 6, double fact. What is 6 times 6? You got it, 36. All right, let's go see if we can use these numbers. You know what? I'm going to have to put in one number, and it's going to be 6 times 7 equals 42. All right, because 43 is a little bit bigger number. So how many times can I put 6 into 43? Right there, 6 times 7, 42. So I'm going to go ahead and put 7 right here. And then what I do is I do multiplication next. So 7 times 6 equals 42. All right, so let's go ahead and put 42 right here. Subtract. That's our next step. So 43 minus 42, 1, or 3 minus 2 is 1. And then our next step is we bring the next number down, which is an 8. I bring it straight down right here. All right, and then I do the whole process over. How many times can I put 6 into 18? Right there, 3. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 3 right here. 3 times 6 equals 18. And then I'm going to do subtraction. And I'm running out of room on the board. Don't worry, I got one of those whiteboards that I can move things around. I just need to select it. And let's go ahead and make this a little bit smaller right there. Yeah, I think that'll be a good one to start with here. All right, 18 minus 18, 0. Now you don't need to put that 0 there at all. Now the next step, what is the next step? You bring the next number down, which is the 7. So what I like to do sometimes, I make a little squiggly line so I don't lose track of the numbers when I work with a big problem like this. So I'm going to take the 7 and I'm going to bring it all the way down here, right there. Okay, so then I start the whole process over. How many times can I put 6 into 7? One time, uno. I'm going to go ahead and put 1 right there. 1 times 6 is 6, subtract, and now I have a 1. And then I do the whole process over. I bring that next number down, which is a 4. Boom, right there. All right, and again, I got to make this a little bit smaller to work with. That's okay. And if you want to work on these problems on a piece of paper, you can always check it with me. So now, how many times can I put 6 into 14? Let's see, 6 times 2. I think 6 times 2 would be a good choice. So let's go ahead and put the 2 right there. 2 times 6 equals 12. Subtract. And we have a 2 right there. Do I have, can I put 6 into 2? No, you can't. Do I have any other numbers to bring down? No, you don't. This is our remainder. Hey, Sammy, that's our remainder right there. So remainder 2. So the answer is 7,312, remainder 2. Wasn't that fun? Hey, before you go, I'm going to check the comments to see if there's another problem we can do on here. All right, let's take a look at the comments and request. I have one from, I believe it's Jeanette. Says, can you please do 497 divided by 7? So we're going to be doing that one there. I'm going to go ahead and put a little box around there. And thank you very much for all your comments. I read them all. All right, let's go ahead and get started with this. And boom, I'm going to go ahead and put that right up there. And again, thank you so much. Let me go ahead and get the pen tool. And we have 7. And then we got 497 right here. 497 divided by 7. So for this one, I'm going to see if you know your multiplication. How many times can I put 7 into 49? 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 6, 42. 7 times 7, 49. Bingo! All right, let's go ahead and put the 7 right there. 7 times 7 is 49. And then I go ahead and subtract. And then I bring down the next number right there. How many times can 7 go into 7? Uno, 1 time. All right, so I go ahead and put 71 right there. No remainder. 1 times 7 is 7. Nothing right there. That was a fun problem to do. Hey, thanks a lot for joining the show. Hey, write a problem down in the comments down below. Maybe I'll choose yours for the next show. And like always, have a fun day. And Sammy, thanks for requesting that problem. All right, we'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.